How to delete messages on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I will show you how to delete messages on Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. This is your home page. Below you will see different icons here. Click on the notification icons and click on Inbox next to Updates. This is your message. To delete the message, click on the message you want to delete. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will get three options. You can notice there is no delete option here. But we have the option that says Hide Conversation. This option helps you to hide conversation and it is similar to delete messages. Simply click on it and your message will be hidden. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notification on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.